New for this year, we've introduced the Afro Master quiz. Dun, da, 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 bum, ba. That's the theme tune. I'm working on it. Okay, so you will learn some key facts about Afro hair throughout this game show. And I know it coincides with the new Black Mastermind host, Clive Myrie, but I think our questions might be a little bit easier. Or will they? Okay, right. So, can I get your team names, please? What's your team name?
We're the Fair Park Heroes.
Fair Park Heroes versus?
Langley Park Boys.
Langley Park Boys. Oh, we got some fans in the audience already. All right, so this is quick fire questions. So, starting here and going out. So, first, closest to me, you're against each other. Why? It's multiple choice, so let me answer the question first. Let me give you all the options. Why is World Afro Day on September the 15th? This is a multiple choice. So, is it because there was a school protest against Afro hair rules on this date? Or there was a law passed against dreadlocks on this date? Or the UK included Afro hair in hairdresser qualifications on this date? You were still faster. Good. What's the answer?
It was about the dreadlock law.
Very good. 1 point over here. All right. Second question. Quiet in the room, please. Okay. Which hairstyle was used to communicate escape routes between slaves? Yes. Cornrows. Very, very good. Round of applause. It wasn't multiple choice. Only the first one. This is not multiple choice anymore. So this is for the third on the line. Okay, here we go. Which hair type is the strongest? A, Afro, B, Asian, C, Caucasian. Again, the same. What's the answer?
Afro.
It's not correct. Would you like to challenge?
Asian.
Asian is correct. We've got 3 points on that side. Okay. Here we go. Final question for number 4 on the line. Listen carefully. This is not multiple choice. Name the legendary black artist whose hairstyle became synonymous with a whole genre of music. Bob Marley is the correct answer. Well done. Very good. That brings us to the end of our quiz as we reach the end of the line, and I have to give it over here. Big cheer. Tell me the name again.
Fair Park Heroes.
The Fair Park Heroes have it. Big round of applause. Now, you will win a goodie bag from Soul Cap and Pantene. Can I get a woo? Very good. Another round of applause for all of our contestants. Please walk up this way. Very good. I hope that you all learned a little something in that quiz as well. And give it up one more time for our 2 fantastic teams. Come on now.